Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone automatically turning on and off problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force to restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Solution 2. Update all apps. Go to App Store. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then update all the apps. All the apps on my iPhone are already updated. Make sure all the apps on your iPhone are updated too. Solution 3. Remove faulty apps. Check if any recently installed apps are causing the issue. Uninstall them. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings. In Settings page, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Here, install any available updates. Solution 5. Clear your iPhone storage. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Here, go to iPhone storage. Make sure your iPhone have free up space. To free up space, delete some photos or videos or offload some apps. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Click on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Again tap on Reset all settings to confirm this process. This process will not remove your data like your photos, videos or apps on your iPhone. This process will remove your Wi-Fi networks and passwords. I hope after watching this video, your problem will be solved. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.